Ribe, the oldest town in Denmark, is a captivating destination that offers a journey through time, immersing travelers in its medieval charm, rich history, and unique cultural heritage. Nestled on the western coast of Jutland, Ribe's cobbled streets, well-preserved buildings, and historic sites invite visitors to explore its captivating past and enjoy a blend of traditional and modern experiences. Ribe's historical significance is beautifully portrayed in its architecture and landmarks. The Ribe Cathedral, a towering Gothic masterpiece, stands as a symbol of the town's religious heritage. The old town itself is a living museum, with its half-timbered houses, charming courtyards, and winding alleys evoking a sense of stepping back in time. The Ribe Viking Center offers a glimpse into Viking history, complete with reconstructed Viking houses, workshops, and interactive exhibits that bring the past to life. The town's urban beauty is enhanced by its picturesque harbor, where old wooden ships and modern boats create a maritime atmosphere. The Wadden Sea National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located nearby and offers unique opportunities for birdwatching, seal watching, and guided mudflat walks that introduce visitors to the diverse coastal ecosystem. Cultural experiences in Ribe include its museums, galleries, and cultural events. The Ribe Art Museum showcases Danish art from the 18th century to the present day. The Ribe Viking Festival, held annually, brings the town's Viking history to life with reenactments, markets, and historical demonstrations. Culinary experiences in Ribe celebrate local flavors and Danish cuisine. The town's restaurants, bistros, and cafes offer dishes that showcase fresh seafood, local produce, and traditional Danish recipes. The Ribe Brewery, one of Denmark's oldest microbreweries, offers a taste of locally crafted beer. For those seeking historical exploration, Ribe's guided tours and historic sites provide insights into the town's Viking past, medieval history, and unique cultural identity. The Ribe Viking Center offers workshops and activities that allow visitors to experience Viking life firsthand. Ribe is a town that seamlessly blends history, culture, and coastal allure. Whether you're wandering through its historic streets, visiting its museums, enjoying its cultural events, or exploring its natural landscapes, Ribe promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Danish heritage, medieval charm, and the timeless allure of a town that preserves its past while welcoming modern explorers.